up in the hills just above Cushendun, or Cushendall, in County Antrim, just heading for the coast road. And as you can see, that if the state of the lens isn't too bad, you'll see that the scenery is absolutely beautiful. Just approaching Knocknacarry, which is near enough in Cushendun, sorry. Cushendall we've avoided, we've come up over the mountain that way. So it's I'll take you up over there towards Torr Head as well, which is where I'm going to go. It was a favourite spot for my mate Ronnie, who passed on there recently, and we used to go through it at ridiculous speeds. But I don't think that'll be today. Right, just entering Cushendun now, and we'll come down to the sea, and you'll see the harbour and all here. That's a lovely little place. So we'll get the drone up, and there's the goat. It has significance about the place, but what it is, I can't remember. Into Cushendun village. And that's it, it's really pretty and quaint. Nice bar there, nice tea rooms. Then you come out this way. They have a car park as well, and then I think there's a mobile food truck that stops there. So you wouldn't go hungry. And then on round you have the caravan park. That's the caravan park into your left. And that's where I came a cropper a few years ago. Ended up in that wall. But up onto Torr Head. It's a lovely scenic drive. As you can see, it's just really a lane. You come down into this farmyard, this is where it starts to climb. There's a lot of dust on there, I don't know what that is, that white dust. And there's also a lot of muck on the road at times. And gravel. radio transmitter station up on the top of that is actually Torr Head. The road that will come down is actually Torr Head Scenic Route, but that was actually on Torr Head. And then there was that modern the modern ruins. I think it's reasonably modern. A lot of red brick in it and that, so I would assume it is quite modern. So now I'm heading out through Ballycastle and up into Portrush. A foreigner there thinking he was back at home on the wrong side of the road.